Hello, good evening. Every corner of this world crawling for detection of vaccination. Vaccination for what? I could not understand. What was the reason for outbreak of this coronavirus? The reason was basically, as per present statistics report, is due to deep cave virus research and live animals eating habits. These two factors are main for rapid speed spreading of virus. Why the people are succumb to the virus was the reason everybody knows. Still, I suppose it may be wrong. The reason was over aspiring for sexual lust. You could see from the present scientific invention communication devices that the recently affected countries only encouraging the sex pornos on different novel type video recordings. That would be the major factor for fatal effect of virus spreading. So, vaccination for what? Sugar patients, whether could be vaccinated. Blood pressure patient could be vaccinated. Mentally retarded patients could be vaccinated. No. Same thing, that unless and until you prevent this area of possibility for the birth and rapid spreading of this virus, you cannot vaccinate this. The vaccination must be disciplined. Kindly see the earlier the construction of buildings by Europeans and other countries. There may be heavy gap. Australian, New Zealanders construct their buildings with leaving heavy spaces between the houses and the houses. Of course, even the slums which were prevailing earlier to 1967, there was little bit spaces between the slums. But claiming that the poor people will be upgraded, allowed to reside in multi-story building for securing vote from the innocent idiot peoples, these buildings were constructed, but the standard of life of that poor slum dwellers were same because they sell the houses allotted to them, then again they started living on platform. That is the high reasons the medical authorities and research authorities had said that there is less possibility of spreading and causing effect of this corona 19 virus effect, because we people are already addicted to sustain all sort of unhygienic environment. Therefore, don't rush after vaccination. There may not be any vaccination. You have to revive this system of world civilization, avoid using scientific equipments unnecessarily, and finally let us revive the system of living with the assistance of farmers, elders, and the old written guidelines by our poets, philosophers, rishis, and so many persons from all corners of the world, including Chinese yoga. This is my suggestions. Therefore, there may not be any vaccination, and this present preventive activities, whether it could help you, for time being it may help you, but in future, unless and until you keep this present prevailing environment as it is, you cannot control this virus activities. That is what I receive. I leave this communication and to the experts' opinion, but what I feel was that don't believe that there may be any vaccination. Vaccination is self-control, the sovereignty's imposition of revival of old civilization. Solve justices.